Friends, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the new chapter, that is adaptation. I hope all of you know something about this topic, adaptation. What is meant by adaptation? Some of the organisms adapted in their level. Means some of the organisms, that means fish, otherwise the birds, other the polar bear, each and everything is also adapted in their own. So what is the reason for this adapted? So today I am going to explain what is mean by adaptation and how to change some of the organisms, change their lives in different ways according to their peculiar habitat. Okay, so let's see that one. First one, definition of adaptation. All of you want to learn and understand this topic. What is mean by adaptation and what is mean by environment and what is a habitat. This type of words first you want to understand. Okay, so the first one, the adaptation means it is the ability of an organism. Ability of an organism to change for better adjustment. To change to the better adjustment with the environment. It is the ability of the organism to better adjustment in the environment. That is called adaptation. For example, the fish always live in the water only. So they are adapted themselves. Okay, and the polar bear always live in that polar regions. Why? That means they are adapted themselves. And the desert animals like the camel is also live in the only hot regions. Hot regions only. So they are adapted. That's why they want to leave their own place. Okay, so this is the adaptation. Some of the organisms adjusted for their own in the particular climate. So a particular environment. Okay, so what is meant by environment here? The environment means these are physical and the biological conditions. Physical and biological conditions in which an organism lives and with which it interacts. It's the physical and biological condition in which an organism lives. Okay, physical and biological condition. So one of the organisms want to survive in particular place. They need and their physical interaction between the environment. That means it is also need the biotic and abiotic assistance. So it is interaction between the different organisms and some other abiotic components also. For example, one of the organisms they want to survive. So that need the temperature, water, air and each and everything. That is called abiotic factors. And these organisms also need the food and some other things and help from the other organism. So that other organism is called biotic organism. So it is the interaction between the biotic and the abiotic organisms. Okay. So that's the environment. Once again repeat, the environment means it is the physical and the biological conditions in which an organism lives and with which it interacts. That is called environment. So this environment is the sum of the abiotic and biotic components. Sum of the biotic and abiotic components. So here the environment means it is not only that organism that need the non-living things also. Total is called environment. Okay. So this environment consists of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. What is mean by atmosphere? So the atmosphere means it is including the gases mantle. We are seeing the different types of gases. So those organs want to survive that need the air. So the atmosphere means full of air, different airs that help to the organism to survive. Next one, lithosphere. Lithosphere means stone and mountains. It is also part of the environment. And the hydrosphere, hydro, water. Okay, this is water, this is fully water. This water is also one of the component is important for the life, for surviving. Okay, so next one, important word, habitat. Habitat means it is a special environment of an organism. Habitat means it's a special environment of the organisms in which it lives and grows. For particular organisms want to survive or live and grow, that place is called habitat. That's why I first informed to all. That means some of the polar bear always live that particular region, polar region only. That is the habitat of polar bear. Okay, so that needs the extreme cold condition for survival. And other case, in the case of fishes also, they always live in the water. So the fish always receiving the dissolved oxygen in the water. Okay, so it is a peculiar character. It is a peculiar character of these organisms. So the fish habitat means that water. And some desert animals always need the hot, means temperature, high temperature for their surviving. Okay, so these are the basic of this topic, adaptation, and I will teach you and more about this topic in the next class. I hope all of you understood the introduction section. Thank you.